Hey, how's it going? This is Ari here to give you my review and walkthrough for funneljoy.com. So if you're watching this video, you may be doing a bit of research on FunnelJoy and you may be wondering whether or not this is worth investing in or not. So when it comes to having any sort of online business, of course, one of the most important tools you must have is a funnel builder. A funnel builder allows you to basically create sales funnels and it allows you to grab your audience's attention and get them to request more information and then get on your list. It's really a great way to start building up that relationship with your target audience. So one of the biggest funnel builders out there, the most well known, is of course ClickFunnels, and there's also other ones like Lead Pages and stuff like that. But ClickFunnels is what most people tend to use, and I know that for a lot of beginners, it can be kind of expensive. Their lowest package, I believe, is about $97 a month. So if you are brand new and you may not have that much to invest right away, you may consider an alternative, a cheaper alternative such as FunnelJoy, which this one, if I look here, it shows that there's two different options at the moment. There's one for a one-time payment of $47.95, then there's one just for $21.95. So it's a lot cheaper than ClickFunnels. So if you are looking for something that is a cheaper alternative, uh, be sure to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to be giving a full walkthrough, and then at the end I will share whether I believe this is worth getting or not. So I'll start off by creating a funnel just to give you an idea of how it all works out. So I'm going to go ahead and go to create a campaign. So I'll click that there, and then campaign name, I'll just do how to make money on the beach. On the beach. Let's just do that. So create, campaign created successfully, and then you have not created any page, so we could just create one here. It gives us two options here. We could either go with the drag and drop option, and then there's also the advanced option, which may be a bit harder to use, but it's better when it comes to being mobile friendly. So I'm going to go with drag and drop for this example, and I'll just go with I'll just type in make money on the beach, save. So page created successfully, and it'll give us a few examples here that we could use for opt-in pages. As of right now, it doesn't seem like there's that many, so I guess that is one of the downsides, is that if you are just getting started with this and you're looking to use to go with a bunch of templates, you may not have as many options right off the bat, but I'm sure down the road they'll probably be adding a lot more. So and then we also have some thank you pages here, so we could either go with one of these or we could choose to use a blank template. I'm going to go ahead and go with a blank template. So I'll load that up, and I'll just start off by adding a header in here. I'm going to wait for that to load a bit more. And let's just go with a header. So I'm going to edit this headline. Discover how to, and remember this is just for an example, discover how to make your first 10K online from, let's do from scratch. I think that's a good starting point. We'll just kind of stretch that out a bit. Font size, okay. Hold up. Okay, let me get that, trying to get, okay, text font size, here we go. 22, 26, let's go 30 is what I will go with here, just to start off with. Font family, we got a ton of options for font sizes. I'm going to go with, let's just go with something, let's just go with Arvo, I guess. Actually, no, let's not go with that one. That'll work. That'll do. Okay, so we have discover how to make your first 10K online from scratch. I'm going to add another element here. So it's pretty much just got all the options just right here on the left side. We'll go ahead and we'll do another text box. This one, it'll just say, you know, like enter your email. Enter your email below to get instant access. And I'm going to make this text a bit smaller. Oh, wait a minute, I didn't mean to do that. To get instant access. So font size, I'm going to make this, of course, smaller than, let's go font number 20. Okay. Let's see if I can get that like that. Okay, we're going to make that bold, I guess. And element. Text input gives us the little email box, so I'll just put that right below here. This is where they would enter their email. And then I could also add a button. As an example, they give us the submit button. And then that would be right below here. And then in addition to this, we could also, if we want to, we could add a background image to make it look a bit nicer here. Where was that? Oops. I don't know if image goes the full. Okay, let's get that out of here. Page script. Okay, now. Manage background. Here we go. So I'm going to click this here. If it wants to load up, I don't know what's. I'm clicking on it, but it doesn't seem to be working. It's weird. It was working earlier today. Manage background. Alright, for some reason that's not working, I guess, so I'm just going to go ahead and save that for now. Yeah, okay, so I'm not going to even. I'll go with an image, and we could, of course, upload an image if we want to, or we can look at some stock images. So we'll use, let's go with this one. Okay, I don't want it blocking the text at all, so. Yeah, I definitely don't want that on. No, I don't want that overshadowing the text. So I'm going to delete that. This is why I wanted to use a background, but it doesn't seem to be working right now. Not entirely sure why that is, but... Oh, here we go, here we go. Is this it right here? Manage background. Let's try this. Import. There we go. So then that would be how you add a background. You click that little button, and then it should pop up right in this little panel here. All right, so that would be how you create a funnel. And of course, I know this isn't like the best looking funnel out there, the best looking, opt-in page. Obviously I didn't put a lot of time and effort into this, but we could of course save that. And then if we want, we could preview it. So we'll click that, and then it'll open up a preview of what it would look like. Text color is a bit hard to see, but you would put in your email right there and then submit that. So I'm going to go back and let's go back to campaign. I already saved it. So make money on the beach. Open an editor. Nope. I'm trying to get to the... Or no, you know what I would do is I would hit new page. That's what I would do. So let me go ahead and edit this again. I'm going to click that, and then new page. So then this would be, I could do like the thank you page. So I'll do that. And then for a thank you page, I could just either use one of these or I can create my own. Just as an example, I'll use this one. Okay. I apologize if it seems my PC is being a bit slow. So we got the thank you page, and this is where you would put in your text here, and then you could also include something like a free ebook or whatever it is that you wish to include as a little bonus. We could save that, and then let's see how it look on a preview. So it'd be like the thank you page for that, and then that is essentially how you would put together a funnel. So you can capture emails that way. You could then follow up with them. And I also want to show, if I go back to the menu, let's go back to dashboard. Let's see. So in settings, it should be right in here actually. You could integrate your autoresponder. So Active Campaign. You got Aweber. You got Mailchimp. Get Response, SendLane. You got all those you could integrate with. Then you could also connect it to like Stripe if you want to. They have the GoToWebinar platform you could integrate with. So it's got all the basic integrations. And then another thing I want to show is you could actually create your own products and membership sites here. So to do that, we would just hit new product, and then you can give it a name and a description. So let's see, how to make money in 30 days. Example. And then if this is a membership product, you could of course check this box here. Please upgrade to enable membership. Okay, payment options, we can go with JVZoo. Pricing, and the nice thing, you could either choose one-time payment or you can go with a recurring payment. So recurring, you could do, say $10 a month, billed every month, you could do. And then trial period, we could do like, say, 14 days. And then fulfillment email. Thanks for purchasing. Thanks for purchasing our product. We hope you like it. You know, and then that is how that would work out, like that. So that's just to give an example of how to create a product here. You know, you could just go ahead and fill out that those options there. But then here you could also look at your contacts. So these are people that you have captured with your opt-in page, and then you could of course follow up with them here. You could add in context manually, and then you could also get them through a CSV or Excel spreadsheet or a PDF. And then also, I also want to mention this here is that they also have some training. So if you are completely brand new, and let's say you need some guidance on how to, get started with this platform, or you're confused about something, they do have a series of videos here that you could actually go through. So they talk about, sales letter funnel, storefront funnel, membership, ask funnel, the tripwire funnel, lead magnet. So there's a whole bunch of things you could really learn just by watching these videos. And not only do they have the videos, but you could even download a PDF if you prefer to read this. So it's nice that they give that option as well. And then that's pretty much it for the FunnelJoy platform. So I think personally it is a good alternative if you are looking for something that is cheaper. However, the downside of using FunnelJoy is that since it is fairly brand new and it is cheaper, it may not be as robust as, say, ClickFunnels. You may have less options when it comes to creating funnels. You may have less templates that you can go off of, just mainly because it's brand new, it's completely just fresh on the market. But I do believe that eventually down the road they will be adding more stuff as they continue to build out FunnelJoy. So that is my review of FunnelJoy, and if you are looking to start using this and you really want to give it a try, I will have a link down in the description. You could click on that, and that'll give you access to FunnelJoy. You could choose to pick up FunnelJoy yourself, and yeah, hope you enjoyed, and let me know in the comments what you thought, and take care.